Here we have Dub Boyz Snow Many in its 16 ounces bottle, a powerful pre-wash shampoo designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. We pour Snow Many into the hydrojet foam cannon, lock it in place, and the system is ready to unleash thick, clinging foam. The hydrojet spreads a rich layer of foam across the entire car, covering every inch to loosen dirt and contaminants. Using the Dub Boyz Dub Glove, we gently wash the surface, ensuring a deep clean without scratching the paint. With the hydrojet, we rinse away all the product, leaving behind a spotless surface. The result, a brilliantly clean vehicle, restored to its original shine with the help of Snow Many.